Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am unpacking the Drolet Heat Commander wood furnace. So this video I'm just going to show you what comes with your furnace, how it is when you unpack it. I should have taken a quick video shot. It basically came with crating up around here and a few pieces of plywood, so you just needed a quick little crowbar or a hammer to pull the crating off. The stove did come with various pieces of sheet metal that are going to look like this. This is for the Plenum. The Heat Commander does come standard with the Plenum as well as the blower package. Now you can't see it right now, but I'll take you up close and show you. The blower cabinet is located on the rear of the furnace and it does already come pre-installed. Inside, when you open it up, you get a little baggie of goodies here. This is going to include this is a digital thermometer for the furnace, your paperwork, couple extra screws, and your handles for the system. Inside the heat exchanger box, so this is going to be where your reburn happens. Inside, they do pack you with some tools that come standard here. So this tool here is going to be used for cleaning and scraping the heat exchanger in and out like this. This kind of how frequently you need to do that and clean that really depends on the type of fuel that you're burning. Anywhere from once a month, possibly all the way up to 4 times a month if you're burning really poor quality wood or wet wood, green wood, anything like that. Inside the fire box, here is going to be where our Honeywell digital thermostat is located. These are going to be connections for, let's see, they give you a front piece for the front here to make sure that no wood rolls forward. Connection for cold air return. They also give you a plate to seal that off if necessary. And some silica to keep the unit from rusting. This Drolet Heat Commander is basically kind of pre-packaged, ready to go for your kind of do-it-yourself or homeowner. Pretty simple installation. You'll take those sheet metal for the Plenum, you build the box up, which will then connect into your ductwork. So this is a forced air furnace. It does require electricity to operate, as the blower system must be running to keep the air flowing through the system. If the blower's not running, you do run the risk of overfiring the system. So I hope that you guys found this product overview helpful as to what comes with the furnace, what it looks like when you unpack it. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please don't forget, give this video a quick little thumbs up. That helps me out so much. Don't forget to click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.